Jai Hind everyone. Today is my 16th day of recording the video of 3 minutes to improve the English communication. And I want to excel the English communication skill because of my upcoming SSB. And that's the reason behind all of this one. And it's a challenge of basically 60 days. And that's what I'm doing right now. And it will be exceeded to 90 days. But it doesn't matter. I want to tell you that what I'm doing in my whole life. I'm just preparing for the National Defense Academy exam and I want to become the officer, a flying officer, and the profession would be like the fighter pilot. And that's the reason of it why I'm just doing great things in my whole life. And also I wanted to tell you that my running of the Navy SSR is at Visakhapatnam at the 12 November and I'm practicing the running and that's the reason for it. And also I'm preparing my best version and I'm pursuing my best career even though I'm just doing a great opportunity in my whole life. And if I talk about like how I'm preparing for the SSB, I have bought the Bravo batch sorry of the directional guidance because of it have enhanced my preparation, it excels my English communication, it improved my personality and the perception towards the TED. It's called thematic appreciation test and also it improved my capabilities, my brainstorming healthy issues. And also like if I talk about like how I'm approaching the TED, just I have bought another batch of the Ayush Tayamar and he is the man I think who is appreciable because of he has got recommended thrice and this is one of the major contribution in my whole life because of being a thrice recommended is too much appreciable. People can't get even though in their whole life one time recommend. And also getting a recommendation at that time is not a good or it's a big deal. I think if you are doing pursuing your job or doing great in your whole life, you will definitely get recommended. And also if I talk about like why I'm here just talking to you because of I have a courage to talk to you and also I want to improve to tell in a mirror and also I want to improve my communication skill. Maybe I'm looking the man who is appreciable, smart and also who have a good personality but doesn't matter. The only thing which matters like what I'm doing right now. And also if I talk about like why I want to join the defense, so first of all I want to lead the body of troops, I want to serve the nation, I want to fly the Indian aircraft and also the respect of the defense forces like army, navy and air force in the Indian society is too much good and I want to get it and I want to